Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in Ivory Tri-Coat. With platinum front fascia, platinum chrome grille, 20-inch aluminum wheels, platinum daylight opening moldings, platinum strip tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, rear DVD entertainment center, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5686.